Abusia kan tanka kwansosem ena wani guso a wo hwe no metwa so ewo ensem foforo a bosumi a ewo mi a ena ye keka bomu a na kire se enfie no makoma dunan nie a kanema mpanin former president Professor Fifi Mills na ekọ ne nkrechi ebra na otia benwa so se mampanin na empanifo enede wo friends entrofo hyiemu demteneni anase pani a wono na eda dwumedie ya no ene onumiamfo anase owura Alexander Segbefia odi atu dwase nhyehyɛ yahodo no a ena mpanifo aya wode ebehye fade akai opani Mills ni dwumedie a obedi se mampani anase obesom oman no na wetumi edi se dwumedie no kama sanso ena onumiamfo Edwin Nilante Vanderpoy ono ena kane no oyeswafo hwe agodie mu nsem ono so ewo dwumedie na sibia wotu nenum tuo.
At 1:40 p.m. on the 24th day of July 2012, President J.E.A Mills, and I will add Fifi, the third president of the Fourth Republic of Ghana, passed on peacefully. A very sad day for Ghana, for Africa, and for the world. President J.E.A Mills is so far the only head of state of Ghana to have died in office. He was a respected legal scholar and academic who entered politics after decades in university teaching and tax law research. The J.E.A Mills Memorial Heritage has been established in his memory to preserve his heritage and legacy. The Memorial Heritage was incorporated on the 14th of October 2021. It is a not-for-profit, non-partisan, independent, charitable organization and seeks to promote the President J.E.A Mills' unique view of society to cause positive actions in strengthening democratic values and human development. The vision of the heritage is to inspire humanity for a better society. Brothers and sisters of the media, the J.E.A Mills Memorial Heritage has, since its launch on the 1st of December 2022, implemented programs in pursuance of these objectives. The last major activity in this connection was the 13th anniversary commemorative lecture, which was delivered last year. The purpose of today's press conference is to announce the scheduled activity or the scheduled activities to commemorate the 14th anniversary of the demise of President J.E.A Mills. The 14th anniversary falls on a Friday, 24th July 2026. The activities are commencing today, 15th July 2026, with this press conference. The other scheduled activities are as follows. On Wednesday, 22nd July 2026 at 2 p.m., the 14th anniversary commemorative lecture will be delivered by Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng, the renowned cardiothoracic surgeon and former Minister of Environment, Science and Technology, and Innovation. His topic will be President John Evans Atta Mills, 14 years on. The lecture will be chaired by Ms. Hannah Sewa Tete, United Nations Under-Secretary and Special Representative for the UN Support Mission in Libya, former Minister of Foreign Affairs and former Minister of Trade and Industries. This is a lecture that nobody should miss. It starts at 2 p.m. and will be delivered at the Kofi Ohene Konedu Auditorium at the University of Professional Studies, UPSA, in Accra. Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng of the MPP, as the keynote speaker, is unique and refreshing And Ms. Hannah Tete of the NDC, as chairperson for the lecture, is an outstanding personality. Together, they form a formidable duo. On Friday, the 24th of July, 2026, at 9 o'clock a.m., the 14th anniversary wreath-laying ceremony and memorial service will be held at the Asumdwe Park, near the Osu Castle. President John Dramani Mahama will lay the wreath on behalf of the Republic of Ghana. Other wreaths will be laid for and on behalf of the Parliament of Ghana, the widow, Mrs. Ernestina J.E.A Mills, the family, the National Democratic Congress, NDC, the J.E.A Mills Memorial Heritage, and the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs. On Saturday, the 25th of July, 2026, at 9:30 a.m., the President John Evans Atta Mills Memorial Hockey Tournament will be held at the Theodosia Oko National Hockey Pitch, Accra. Brothers and sisters of the media, we look forward to your full participation in all activities planned for the occasion and for the President John Evans Atta Mills 14th anniversary commemoration in July 2026. We thank you all for coming. God bless us all. Thank you.
Nekasa no wachino na unimonyafo Edwani Lante Vanderpoy ya wono former sports minister enso edi ensem sei eka ho.
Say nyina enyim no Professor Mills ono obaen oze akwankyere fufu na ode ba abambom. Okyere de amambo enye basabasayo. Amambo onye ketasehye na proy. Amambo onye abufu. Amambo enye ahonso ma. Amambo ya ahombrase, amambo ye edwumayo. Amambo ye ahombrase. Amambo ye nipabuo. Nti dem nyama na ode ba amambo mu no ewo aman mu no. Osesa ye politics kakra. Ema yendodo na nche ya ye hu politics no do ye feed the politics ye tintantintam na nkaka. Ye nyina ye hu de ebetumi aye politics anande ebetumi aye amambo adwuma enye basabasa enye ketasehye enye proy. Nti na demazi wabeye kan bi ama ye nyina de ewode ye nyina de bia ye toado na ye hwe na oboaye ma ye Ghana amambuom mosi obeye ma amambo no wakoso ama Ghana so afane ntemapa efra eyaza ye nyina ye de ase ye ne dodo dem nyama na Professor Mills ode ba amambuom no ye be ma wasi ho ama ye nyina ye nya kwan de ye besom oman ewo kwan bedo ye hu de dem su na ban na Professor Mills ode ba amambuom no oyazepa ode ye kodo ne ye na ama asundwe na odo na akroye na nkoso aba oman mu.